In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access documents you've already signed in DocuSign. To get started, open DocuSign and go to the main home area of your account. Once you're in, there are a couple of easy ways to find signed documents, and both lead you to the same place. One quick option is to look in the Agreement Activity section, where recent document activity is usually displayed. This is helpful if the file was signed recently and you want to locate it fast without searching through other areas. If you don't see it there, or if you want a more complete view, go to the Agreements tab. This section is where DocuSign organizes your documents and their statuses. So it's the best place to review completed files in a more structured way. After opening Agreements, look for the document with a completed status. That status confirms the signing process has finished and the file is ready for viewing or download. From here, you may be able to download the file directly from the list view. This is the fastest option if all you need is a copy of the signed document. If you want to see more information first, click on the agreement itself. Opening the document details page gives you a fuller view of the agreement, including additional actions and another download option. On the details page, click download. DocuSign may give you a few download choices, so take a moment to review them. If you want everything packaged neatly together, select the option to combine all PDFs into a single file. That's usually the most convenient choice because it keeps the signed document and any related pages together in one PDF, which is easier to store, send, or reference later. After selecting that option, click the highlighted download action to continue. If you'd rather not download the file right away, there's also a document preview available on the right side. That can be useful when you just want to confirm you've opened the correct agreement before saving anything to your device. Once you select the preview, the document page will load so you can view the signed file directly in DocuSign. This gives you a simple way to review the agreement without needing to save a local copy first. And that's it. That's how to access documents you've already signed in DocuSign, whether you want to download them immediately or just preview them online. If you're trying to stay organized, a good tip is to always check for the completed status first, since that's the clearest sign the final signed version is ready to use.